ARK Invest Spearheads Bitcoin ETF Amendment Rush Ahead of SEC Deadline. Last updated December 29, 2023 1:53 EST. 1 Min Redisclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. ARK Invest has taken the lead in filing the final Form S-1 amendment for its proposed spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF ahead of a deadline set by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The SEC allegedly set a deadline of December 29, 2023 for ETF applicants to file their final S-1 amendments to be considered in what Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas has called the crucial first tranche of the race. Officials from the SEC reportedly met with representatives from at least 7 firms on December 21, emphasizing the importance of meeting the specified deadline. ARK Invest responded promptly by filing an amendment to the S-1 registration statement for its ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF on December 28. According to Bloomberg's Balchunas, ARK Invest's amendment was focused on so-called authorized participants, or apps for short. ARK kicks off the S-1 amendment hackathon ahead of the pack as usual. Unclear yet what was changed though. AP mentioned a ton but not named, assuming that will probably come in the very final effective update just prior to launch. But we still don't know if they have signed agreement. https://t:/McNGPOR451. Eric Balchunas at Eric Balchunas December 28, 2023. The move follows a revision by ARK on December 19, aligning its application with changes to cash creations and redemptions for shares in the fund, a modification that mirrored other issuers adapting to cash creations. As more than a dozen firms compete for approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, the rush to submit amended S-1 filings is expected to continue, with Balchunas saying in a recent X post that there is a mad scramble behind scenes to get signed AP agreements. New one from me today on how just making it to the starting gate is half the battle for ETF issuers in the Cointiki Derby. It's the race before the race, currently a mad scramble behind scenes to get signed AP agreements, a critical but not easy last step. Pick Twitter.com/if58kqthcv. Eric Balchunas at Eric Balchunas December 27, 2023. The ETF Store, Inc. President Nate Jarosai also weighed in on the developments on X, calling the ETF the bridge that will force traditional finance investors and crypto fans to learn about each other. Crypto isn't going away, he added. Know some of you are fatigued my endless Bitcoin ETF tweets, which I get. But I love the fact that this saga is forcing more TradFi investors to learn about crypto and more crypto investors to learn about ETF wrapper. That is the bridge. Crypto isn't going away. Nate Jarosai at Nate Jarosai December 28, 2023. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img